Are you on the lookout for a healthy and delicious breakfast option? Look no further. Here's a simple yet nutritious breakfast idea: a vibrant and nutrient-packed smoothie bowl. Start your day with a ripe banana, a cup of frozen fruits like mixed berries, mango or pineapple, a handful of fresh spinach, a tablespoon of chia seeds, a tablespoon of flax seeds, a tablespoon of almond butter or any other nut butter, and half a cup of almond milk or any other plant-based milk. To start off, toss the banana, frozen fruits, spinach, chia seeds, flax seeds, almond butter, and almond milk into a blender. Blend until you achieve a smooth and thick texture. If necessary, add more milk to adjust the consistency. Then comes the fun part: assembling the smoothie bowl. Pour the smoothie into a bowl, top it off with slices of fresh fruits, crushed nuts, granola, goji berries, and coconut flakes or any other ingredient of your choice. Now, let's talk about the health benefits of these ingredients. Bananas are rich in potassium and vitamin B6, promoting heart health and brain development. The mixed berries are packed with antioxidants that strengthen your immune system and fight off diseases. Spinach, a superfood, is loaded with nutrients and antioxidants like vitamin A, C, K1, and folic acid. It also contains iron, which is essential for the production of red blood cells. Chia seeds and flax seeds are an excellent source of fiber, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids, supporting digestion and heart health. Almond butter, rich in healthy fats, fiber, protein, magnesium, and vitamin E, is beneficial for heart health. Almond milk is a great source of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant. Lastly, the toppings not only add texture and flavor, but also come with their own set of benefits. Fresh fruits provide additional vitamins and fiber. Nuts are a good source of healthy fats and protein. Granola adds fiber and iron. Goji berries are rich in antioxidants, and coconut flakes provide a good dose of healthy fats. To sum up, this smoothie bowl recipe is a powerhouse of nutrients. It's not just a bowl of food, it's a bowl of health. Enjoy this delicious, vibrant, and nutrient-packed smoothie bowl for breakfast, and kickstart your day with a boost of energy and health.